In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add new users and authors to your WordPress blog. WordPress comes with a built-in user management system. This lets you add users with different roles and permission levels. But what if you want to let users register on your site for free? Well, you can do that too. In your dashboard, go to Settings, then click on General. And here, enable this option to allow anyone to register on your site. Then click on Save Changes. By default, the user will be given the subscriber role. Now, to manually add a user or an author on your site, go to Users, then click on Add New. Give this user a username. And enter their email address here. Then you can also add their first and last name. Then this is the password for this user. You can also generate a new one. Then check this to send this user a notification about their account. And finally, choose the user role from here. Then click on Add New User. And as you can see, this user was added here successfully. This is how you can add new users and authors to your WordPress blog. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.